Please go to Control Center shortcut. Here you can find screen recording shortcut. Press and hold for 2 seconds. You will find microphone option. To stop the recording, go to top right corner and press red button, or go to Control Center shortcut and press the screen recording shortcut. To add a screen recording shortcut, please go to Settings. In Search tab, type Control Center. Then go to Customize Controls. In More Controls, select Screen Recording by clicking plus sign. You have successfully added screen recording shortcut to your control center. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel.